Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into the timeless lessons from the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book has inspired millions around the world to rethink their approach to money, wealth, and financial freedom. Whether you're just starting your journey or looking for new insights, these principles can transform your financial future. So, let's get into the top 10 takeaways from Rich Dad, Poor Dad and learn how to make money and build wealth. Number 1. The importance of financial education. Financial education is crucial because it equips individuals with the knowledge and skills to make informed financial decisions. In Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes that traditional education often neglects this vital area, leaving people unprepared to manage money effectively. Understanding concepts like budgeting, investing, and managing debt can lead to smarter financial choices and ultimately build wealth. Kiyosaki argues that without financial education, people are more likely to fall into the trap of living paycheck to paycheck and relying on debt. By educating oneself about money, individuals can gain control over their finances, create multiple income streams, and achieve long-term financial independence. Number 2. The difference between assets and liabilities. In Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes the critical distinction between assets and liabilities. Assets are items that generate income or appreciate in value over time, such as stocks, real estate, and businesses. They put money into your pocket. Liabilities, on the other hand, are items that drain your finances, like mortgages, car loans, and credit card debt. They take money out of your pocket. Understanding this difference is crucial for building wealth, as it guides individuals to invest in assets rather than accumulating liabilities. This foundational concept helps people focus on increasing their net worth by acquiring more assets and minimizing liabilities. Number 3. Mindset shift. Employee to entrepreneur. Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of shifting from an employee mindset to an entrepreneurial one. He argues that while employees work for a paycheck, entrepreneurs and investors seek to create opportunities and build wealth. This shift involves taking control of your financial future by creating multiple income streams and focusing on generating passive income. Entrepreneurs are more inclined to take calculated risks, invest in assets, and leverage their skills and resources to maximize returns. This mindset fosters innovation, resilience, and a proactive approach to financial growth, distinguishing them from those who rely solely on job security and salaries. Number 4. The power of passive income. Passive income is a key concept in Rich Dad, Poor Dad, emphasizing the importance of earning money without actively working for it. Kiyosaki advocates for building streams of passive income through investments such as real estate, stocks, and businesses. Unlike earned income from a job, passive income continues to flow in with minimal effort, providing financial security and freedom. By focusing on assets that generate continuous returns, you can create a sustainable financial foundation that supports you even when you're not working, allowing you to pursue other interests and enjoy a more flexible lifestyle. Number 5. Overcoming fear and doubt. Overcoming fear and doubt is a key lesson from Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Kiyosaki explains that fear of losing money often holds people back from making investments or pursuing financial opportunities. He emphasizes that this fear is a natural part of the journey to financial independence, and it's important to confront it rather than avoid it. Learning from failures and setbacks is crucial, as these experiences provide valuable lessons and build resilience. Kiyosaki encourages readers to step out of their comfort zones, take calculated risks, and view challenges as opportunities for growth. By managing fear and embracing uncertainty, individuals can unlock their potential and achieve financial success. Number 6. The value of financial independence. Financial independence means having sufficient assets and income to cover your living expenses without relying on a traditional job. This allows you the freedom to pursue passions, hobbies, or other work that may not necessarily provide financial gain. Achieving financial independence is about making strategic financial decisions, investing wisely, and creating multiple income streams, such as investments in stocks, real estate, or businesses. It's the ultimate goal for many, providing security and the freedom to live life on your own terms, free from the constraints of a paycheck-to-paycheck lifestyle. Number 7. Building and leveraging wealth. Building and leveraging wealth involves strategically acquiring and managing assets that generate income and appreciate over time. Rather than merely saving money, the focus is on making investments in areas like real estate, stocks, or businesses that can grow your wealth. It's about using financial leverage, such as taking out loans for investment purposes, to multiply potential returns. By understanding and applying these principles, individuals can create a sustainable flow of income and build long-term financial security. The goal is to have your money work for you, increasing your net worth without relying solely on active work. Number 8. The importance of starting young. Starting young is a crucial advantage in building wealth because it gives you more time to benefit from compound interest and market growth. By investing early, you can take advantage of the exponential growth of your investments, even with smaller initial amounts. Additionally, starting young allows you to take more calculated risks and learn from any financial mistakes, giving you valuable experience over time. The earlier you begin, the more opportunities you have to build a diverse portfolio and let your money work for you, setting a strong foundation for long-term financial success. Number 9. Learning from mentors. Learning from mentors is crucial in building wealth and financial success. In Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki emphasizes the value of seeking guidance from those who have already achieved what you aspire to. Mentors can provide valuable insights, avoid common pitfalls, and share strategies that have worked for them. By leveraging their experience and knowledge, you can accelerate your own financial growth and make more informed decisions. Building a network of mentors and absorbing their lessons is a powerful way to enhance your financial education and achieve your goals. Number 10. Taking action. Finally, taking action is crucial for financial success. Simply understanding financial principles, like those in Rich Dad, Poor Dad, isn't enough. You must apply them. Start by setting clear goals and creating a plan. Take consistent steps towards those goals, whether it's investing, budgeting, or developing new skills. The key is to be proactive and make informed decisions. Action turns knowledge into results and helps you build wealth over time. These principles from Rich Dad, Poor Dad are just the beginning of your journey to financial freedom. By applying these lessons, you can start making smarter financial decisions and build a secure future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and insights on achieving financial success.